Hey guys, Andrew at Impress Computers. Wanted to go over a couple different things, just real simple basics that you need to have for your gaming PCs. You need airflow first and foremost. If any of these fans get caked with a bunch of dust, anything starts slowing down, you'll start heating up. You need more airflow. You have to have intake and you have to have exhaust. Now, this particular guest, he has his actual radiator all exhaust. And then you've got a fan on the front, and then top, like I said, all you need to do is keep airflow going. If you don't, you just heat up your components and then you've got a nice oven going on. Everything's going to start running into problems. Now, you also need thermal paste for your cooler. If your cooler does not have current and fresh thermal paste, you'll oxidate, you'll break up into pieces. It'll come right off of your chip. Nothing's happening, no conductivity. All right, so you get fresh thermal paste in there in between the water block, your chip, and you're gonna have what you need out of your radiator, as well as the off and pull from the water temperatures. Now, like I said, this particular guest brought this computer in completely disgusting. There was a lot of fans you've seen, the radiator was dirty, even the fans on the graphics card, everything had to be clean. The metal panels had to be taken out, air filter in between that and the case, all three had to be sanitized. Alcohol only, 99%. You cannot go with any water, guys. Just be careful with that. That said, give us a call anytime if you need anything like this done. We offer that service for you. My name's Andrew, 281-647-9977. Thanks, guys.